Hey y'all, I'm back with some more organization tips for your home to make life easier. Most organizing videos show perfect homes, but real homes don't look like that. You can see mine. Today I'm sharing real organizing problems we all face at home and simple fixes using things you already have. No expensive bins, no complicated systems, just realistic solutions that actually work and is super easy to implement. Let's get into it. Tip number 1, the morning rush problem. We've all been there. You're in a hurry, trying to get the kids out the door, trying to get yourself out the door, missing wallet, missing keys, charger, headphones, earbuds, everything. You can't find it. It's just chaos. And you know that when you're in a hurry, it just makes everything worse when you're trying to find something, right? A very simple solution is to get a small bin, basket, bowl, drawer, tray, anything like that, and drop your daily items in there as soon as you walk through the door. If all your daily items go into that one spot, then you know exactly where to look when you're on the way back out the door. One simple rule, daily items live in one place. Not perfect, just consistent. Tip number 2, kitchen overflow. If you're like me, some of the time you have no idea what exactly is in your pantry, in your spice cabinet, anything like that. And when you're making your grocery list or you're at the store, you're like, do I have that? I don't know. I'm gonna grab another. I do this and I have duplicates of many items. This of course makes you have not only duplicate groceries, but your pantry shelves are overflowing, your spices are overlapping where you can't even see what's going on in there. Problem is we have extras of certain things and you forget what you have. So a great solution for this is to have a little small box or a bin that you label extra pantry items. You go one by one into your pantry and spices and put those in that extra box before you make your grocery list or go to the store. When all the extras are in one place, you stop rebuying the same item. Tip number 3, kids' toys, or in my case, dog toys. They have too many and they're still bored with what is out. So if you have littles, mine are grown now, but if you have littles, you understand that there's toys everywhere. When you are trying to clean up and organize your house, you know that it is a never-ending task because as soon as you pick them up and put them away, they're back on the floor, right? As you can see, my dog does the same thing with her toys. She takes them out, plays with a few, and then goes and lays down and leaves the toys, obviously. In my experience with my own kids when they were little, too many toys actually make them bored. It's almost like they get overwhelmed. A great solution for this that actually works with both kids and dogs: get a bin or a basket, a box, whatever, put half the toys in there and put it away. And then only keep a few out. You can organize the other ones somewhere, but only keep a few out for them to play with. Bring that box of toys out every now and then, a couple weeks, a month or so, depending on, your lifestyle. When you rotate toys in and out like that, it makes the kids and the dogs feel like this is a new toy, and that is immediately what they gravitate to. And you didn't even have to spend any money, and you can just cycle through just like that. Keeps it a little more organized and keeps your kids and your dogs entertained. Tip number 4, closet seasonal switch. We all know that when we have that hard winter and the summer, that there are certain things that you will not wear, and they are taking up space in your closet. You can definitely pack some of this away in an easy manner to where you can find it if you need it in a hurry. Like for me, it's winter right now, and my summer clothes are still hanging in my closet, taking up space. For seasonal storage, we use AI Pack and Find just for boxes we won't open often. It makes it super easy to store things and search them when you need them again. When summer comes, I don't open a bunch of boxes to find my stuff. I reach for my app and know exactly where my stuff is. Tip number 5, your random cables and electronics drawer. We all have one of those drawers where we just stick whatever we want in there and it's just chaos. I have a drawer that is just a mess of cables. I have no idea what they go to or anything, but it is such a disorganized mess. An easy way to organize this drawer, grab some Ziplocs, grab some rubber bands, put some of these cables together. You can kind of bundle the cables with the rubber bands, stick them in the Ziplocs, and then you can label them. At least they are all in one bag, all in one place, so that when you are searching for a cable, you know exactly where to go, and it makes it so much neater in your drawer. And the best thing about it is if you organize it today, even if you do not need it at that point, at least you know where it is and what you have. Tip number 6, this is for your emergency and rare use items. These are things like first aid kits, important documents, candles, lighters, flashlights, anything you might need in a hurry, in an emergency. You don't want those things scattered around your house. You want them all in one spot. Let's face it, when you need this stuff, you usually need it pretty quickly, and you don't want to have to search all over the house for it. You just take a small bin, small box, label it emergency use / rare use items if you want. Put all those items in that spot, put it in a designated cabinet, drawer, whatever. Make sure your entire family knows where that spot is so that they can go straight there if it's ever needed. You may not go into this bin or box very often, but you know exactly where it is just in case there is that emergency that comes up. Tip number 7, a weekly mini reset habit. Let's face it, life is busy. If you have family with multiple kids, multiple people, it's almost impossible to keep your home completely clutter-free. Clutter always slowly comes back. My kitchen table, the counter by my coffee machine, it's like the 2 dumping grounds of my home. Set a timer on my phone for 10 minutes. Pick an area in my home that I'm going to work on in that 10 minutes. Redistribute things that don't need to be there. So this weekly mini reset habit helps those types of areas that are more prone to clutter to be more organized, to be clutter-free, and to be able to see your counter and find your stuff. Hopefully you found those tips helpful. Real organization is not about perfection, you guys. I try to instill these small systems into my life as is so that it's simple, it's easy, it doesn't cost money, you use what you already have, and it's just small habits that you can incorporate. So if you're just starting out, I would say start small, definitely use what you already have. And if you find that one system really works for you, keep at it and then start incorporating others to see if it works as well. The goal here is not perfection. It is to help us be less overwhelmed, less stressed, and just to be able to enjoy our daily lives at home with our families with a little less clutter. If you found this helpful today, please click like, subscribe, and please tell me which tip you're going to try first. See y'all next time.